What's up, guys? We are now in Wyoming and we're setting up camp. So, this is our camping site and tent. Just placed down tarp. It's my second time using this tent. Hey, Zach. Zach, I found your phone in here. Huh? I found your phone. It was in the tent. My brother found his phone. It was in the tent for about 3 months.
Well, I have another phone, but it's not have service.
We're at not Jenny Lake, Jackson Lake. There's my brother right there. So there has been a bear encounter and we're about to put our food away because we forgot to do that. So, going back to the campsite. We're starting up the grill, baking some pizza. Got the ingredients right here.
I don't even care.
I never said it was gonna work. I never,
because I didn't even want to make it.
Should have brought something to cut it with.
I'm watching the sunset.
It is.
At, what's this lake called? Jordan Lake? Jackson Lake, yeah. And I'm shooting with the Fujifilm X-T50. Here are some of my shots. The sun is about to go down.
I do want to go in.
Oh, it is. Okay. Come on. I think you guys are about tight on that one. Alright, show us off, Tanner. Oh, wow. Dang. That hurt. That hurt. Oh.
The sun is about to go down. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. How's it going? I'm back at Jackson Lake. And there's this nice view that's going on. It's sunrise. I just woke up. It's like 6:30 in the morning. It's a nice view of the Tetons in the back. And I just heard some geese. I'm gonna use my camera and see what photos I get. Here are the photos that I captured. I'm gonna get a different view. Before we get there, I just want to say thank you for all the subscribers that subscribe to my channel, and for those who like my videos, thank you so much, and who also gave me positive comments, and I'm grateful that I'm grateful for you guys for what you've done and to support me. So thank you guys. So guys, I noticed that the trail, I thought I was gonna make it, but the trail looked longer. So I decided just to take a couple more pictures. Here they are. And yeah, it's like one of those walks that you think you're gonna make it, but then you realize once you get to another point, it's more walking. And so I'm gonna turn around. Right now we're at Yellowstone Park. We're waiting for Old Faithful to erupt. This is how it looks right now.
Pretty surreal.
There's like lots of people here.
We got the bear and a buffalo today. Yeah, I'm good.
He said sight.
Whoa! Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. You got this. Come on, old faithful.
Cool. Cool story. So we waited about 1 hour for that to happen, and that was cool. Old Faithful. And now we're looking at some other cool things around here. You can smell the sulfur. This one is called Depression Geyser. It's making me very depressed. Doesn't look that much like a heart. Looks like it's gonna erupt. This one's called Goggles Spring. Tardy Geyser. Giant Geyser. This one is called Grotto Geyser. You can't see, but
way in the back, there's a bison. I'm going to use my 70 through 300 millimeter lens. This is pretty much the setup. It's a 70 through 300 millimeter. When it extends, it goes that far out. So yeah, that's what I used to capture that bison. This one is called Morning Glory. Has pretty colors. Check out this cool looking car. So we spent about 6 hours in the park. We're about to head out to our campsite and make some spaghetti of some sort. So right there is Grand Teton. We stopped by here because how it was so pretty.
Campsite is just right over there, isn't it? Our campsite is
Prettiest sunset.
set, so I want to go over there. We're going over there?
Chicken.
The seasoning?
Got the butter. What are we using for seasoning? Lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper.
Nice. So we made it to camp and it's dark, but we're still hungry, so we're gonna make some chicken alfredo pasta food. Let's see how it goes. So we got the chicken finished. Now we're gonna put in the noodles.
Perfection.
The noodles cooking and go from there.
Really, at the end, do not do that.
Something in now. Or
Yeah, something to the Prego.
Yep.
Yeah. Good stuff. Just stir it up and it should be finished.
Yeah, there you go, yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Looks so good.
Okay, here's your cheese. Do we get Parmesan too?
Yeah. Check. Either the bread.
So we're about to eat. That's our meal. Good stuff.